What gets taught in universities is so powerful because it shapes the way that everybody thinks about the economy. Whether or not you've studied economics yourself, it shapes the whole public narrative. So this is a critical moment for universities to decide, are they only going to teach about the past, or are they going to teach what's needed for the future?
What if we switch from thinking as the university as a teaching institutes as the learning institutes, so we can facilitate collective learning about what's happening today and how we can best prepare for the future without having to feel that we have to know all the answers today.
I see students being a huge drive to make this change happen. The movement of students internationally called Rethinking Economics, where the very people who've signed up to do an economics degree, on arriving at university, are discovering that they are not being taught what they know they need to learn for the future, and so they are themselves campaigning for transformation of the syllabus. We have to step away from, I teach you what I know, to together we need to create new spaces where we will learn together the skills and the ways of thinking that we know we need, because we don't know what the future looks like. You may not have a universal truth to put on the table, but we do have a donut. It's a beautiful space when you can make it happen and when everybody's willing to realize that they're there to learn. Remove the expert and the student and realize that it's learning all together. Everybody bringing a different valuable perspective, because we know we will learn best when we learn together. And that's what you're making happen here.